Hey y'all, Iric Sky here, about 5,000 feet in the backcountry. Hung my crampons up, got a bunch of ice. These things are a must for hiking in icy conditions. So what I'm going to do within this video is show you how easy crampons are to attach to your shoes. There's an optional strap you can attach. I'm not going to do that. These held up about 8 miles, no problem. So we're going to go over here and I'm going to put them on. Standard hiking shoes. You can expand this video's description and click the link there to find where to order them online. They come in a variety of different sizes. But hiking shoes, hiking boots. So all you do is this. First, make sure your shoes are tied properly. I do a double knot. And then, and there's not a left and a right, try to break that ice off. That'll come off on the trail. So there's a front and a back. Start with the front. It's kind of a really nice rubbery type material. And then you pull up the back. And then check the sides here. Make sure all your spikes are on the bottom, and they are. And then do the other foot, the back. There's the front. Check, make sure you got everything centered. And like I said, there's an optional strap if you've got a smaller shoe. You may want to attach across here. I don't. These don't need it, but and you can adjust. Got that little bridge piece in the front. That's gonna go across the front of your shoe. But that's it. That's how to attach crampons. And you can expand this video's description and then click the link there to find where to order them online. Super cheap. Bunch of different sizes available. I highly recommend them. And these have been tested in the backcountry by me. They're super high quality. And this is not a rubber type material that'll likely crack, and that's important. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.
Hey y'all, Iric Sky here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.